Hello, good evening Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Ashaifa in Indonesian News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an up-to-date and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is ahead of 8 Lion Air 8 extra flight. To anticipate the charger is passengers who will fly to Batam and have Nadiem Airport. Lion Air has added additional flight or extra flight to a number of areas. Bambang said that the opening of extra flight from Lion Air show the hype and the trend of the user of flight service to the 3 destinations in the region every year, especially during the peak season. Extra flight for the Lion Air to Padang area open from April 27. Meanwhile, the destination is Pekanbaru starting from April 28 and the destination of Palembang from the 25th of the April. The three of the extra flight routes are valid until 1 May 2022. Meanwhile, according to tribunbatam.co.id, monitoring at the Nadiem Airport, visitors have the standard of the experience and increase even through the ISNA to the ground. Especially is the Lion Air check-in counter location. The average visitor dispersing to have the Nadiem Airport is around 1,000 people per day. Bambang said, there was no special preparation ahead of the 8th of the Iftar holiday of the Nadiem Airport. Every year, the preparation is almost the same as the preparing at the Eid post in the airport area. The next news is Akila, victim of the soap house fire in the Samarinda, dies after 5 days treatment. Although he had been treated for the 5 days and enduring pain due to the burn suffered with the help of the respirator, the child victim Akila, 9 years old, breathed his last at the Ewi Syahrin Hospital, Samarinda City, Thursday, April 25, 2022. This little girl has one of the victim of the 3-door soap house fire of the street Awe Syahrini, Gunung Kuala Village, Samarinda Ulu District last Saturday. Head of the Hospital Healthy Promotion and the Public Relations Installation, Dr. Arsya Indornin, in her release explained that the little girl died at the 6:30 Central Indonesian time in the PCU room at the Ewi Syahrin Hospital. The next news comes from President Jokowi destroyed the t-shirt. Residents of the Ciawi Bogor scrambled to make the strangers congratulate. Indonesian President Joko Widodo or Jokowi paid a visit at Ciawi Market, Bogor Regency Thursday, April 21, 2022. Based on the information gathered, President Jokowi arrived to dispute decreased cash accessions. According to tribunnews.bogor.com monitoring, President Joko Widodo arrived at the Ciawi Market at around 3 p.m., beginning with the tight security and sterilization of the location by the dancers of the hours before arrival. When he got out of the car, while wearing his trademark white shirt, President Jokowi was immediately greeted by the husky voice of the woman who had to gather while waiting at the arrival of the number 1 person. After handling of the BLT, President Joko Widodo immediately got back in her car and then left the location. Prior to the disappearance, President Jokowi had a time to display black t-shirt to the public. The next news is raid to oil warehouses. Jambi police find criminal powder, a legacy for the opus of the filed oil. The Jambi Regional Police Special Criminal Investigation Directorate raided two warehouse suspected of being storage place for the illegal fuel oil or BBM in the Rukun Tetangga 6 Jajanan area is Jambi City. On the Thursday, April 21st, 2022 at 4 p.m. In the first warehouse, the officer were overwhelmed with the opening of the Zions warehouse gate. The gate was locked using a lead chain. The warehouse is decorated with the zinc, while around the warehouse are the only 5 warehouses that seems destined for the human activities. After successful opening of the gate, the director of the Special Crime for the Jambi Regional Police Commissioner Tori, accompanied by the head of the Rukun Tetangga 6 Suryadi went straight into the warehouse. Not only that, officers also found notes for the oil transition tools, the bleaching, sulfuric acid, and the other material which the strongest suspect to the being actually by the preparation to the mixed fuel oil. The next news. At Outfit 1405 Hijri, accompanied by the Diamond Die, Operation No Position, South Kalimantan Police ship remains broken. Hundreds of the joint personnel from the National Police, the Indonesian Armed Force, against government officials, the Revolution Institutional, line up neatly finders its expedition unit for the traffic police for the South Kalimantan area, Ahmad Yani Street, kilometers 2001 Khalid Platform, Banjarbaru, South Kalimantan, at the Friday, April 2002, 2022. The examination of the rigors for the personnel disassembling foot was scoring a tiring. The Regional Operation Troops hold a regional operation for the corporate Ketupa in 2022 for the South Kalimantan Police, which will be held for the 4th day starting Thursday, 28 April 2022 to Monday. According to Inspector General Ricky Wanto, the hardware for the personnel will be deployed at the 27 security post, the alarm service, post the suppress accord, jurisdiction of the South Kalimantan Police. A number of the points such as the tourism attraction, shop shelter, and the other crowd center will also be counted. The next news is Cikampek Kaliaku transition enterprise trial. Drivers don't need to tap e-toll at the Gig Paliaman. The trial of the transportation of the Paliaman toll gate or GT of the Cikampek Paliaman Cipali to route start today. The trial of the start exploded around 6 of a number of the officers within standing by the toll booth the direct monitoring tool. The victims of monitoring don't need to install a toll equipment of the Paliaman City Cipali toll route. Cipali District, Cirebon Regency. However, their monitoring will be stepped up the toll booth as the toll of the officer seems to remains to the strike ahead. In the fact of the 30 minutes of the testing, Cikampek Kaliagung Transient Interrogation Police. Not a few monitoring continue to step a toll booth. Therefore, the officer, when standby by the near Tapcho toll matching to the should immediately explain to driver about this trial. And the last news is, waiting for the time to break their first, residents in the East Lombok are playing a top-notch competition in the class of the competition. Various activities are carried on by the people of the East Lombok to wait for them to be break of the fast. One the playing speaking of the traditional Tuk game as the one done and one done by the people by Kota Raja village. Sikur district as Lombok Regency on Sunday. They start to get busy every afternoon after 4 p.m. playing toll. Every day, for the children to the adults, they play to the while waiting for the time to break their fast. The number of the playing group varies. There are so 4 people, even the ever people. There are so games in the playing match by divided into the 2 groups. Then they fight by the taking turn. The toll is the opponent's gate. Whoever takes longer of the toll around the winner is the take. Well, I think those all news for today. Thank you for watching and have a